Hi there from Bugeye Guys, and I have another little video for you this week about preparing your car properly for paint, and also one of the chronic issues that we encounter all the time, and that is misplaced license plate mount holes. Now on these Bugeyes, of course, you can't open the trunk lid, there isn't one, so you've got to climb into the trunk to mount a license plate. And in addition to that, you've got to drill these in the right place, which I believe was done by dealers way back when the cars were new, but many of these cars have been restored and these holes have been put in the wrong place. This car on this rotisserie is about to go out and get media blasted and then repainted and restored for a client. This is a car called Angus that's been completely worked over. But the millions of things that have been addressed, like these patch panels, are all in progress, but it's so easy to neglect these little details and they come back to bite you later. And that's what I want to show you here on our 400th Bugeye called Lulu, which is about to depart for a great new client in New Jersey. Now he's had us put a hard top on the car and we're going through our final checklist to get it ready to depart. But this is something that I just love that Ken fixed, which is here are those holes, the old holes that were put in place. And if you look, you just use my hand for reference, you got about 3 inches to this side here and only about 1 inch for this hole on this side. So if the license plate was mounted, what you'd see is it pushed over to the driver's side. So what Ken did is he made a new bracket, a cheater if you will, that is mounted on the wrong holes and then relocates proper studs that are equidistant from this license plate light to basically clean up a mess that was made when this car was restored. And again, in fairness to the restorers, there are a million choices that have to be made, a million processes to get a car to this level. And it is just so easy to miss these little details. And so we end up trying to clean those up all the time. Once the license plate is mounted here, it will hide these old errant holes. They'll be shrouded by the license plate. And, order has been restored in the universe. The other thing that we do, and we sell a little kit for this, these are studs with rubber and nylock nuts so that they won't unscrew. And that allows the license plate to stand off of the back end. We've owned more than 400 Bugeyes here at Bugeye Guys, and very often when the cars come in, we'll see a plate just slammed against the bodywork. And when you do that and then you remove it, you end up with scars all along this perimeter, and it ruins a beautiful car. So it's a great practice to stand off the plate from the body. It looks better and it gives it some air. Water doesn't get trapped behind it. And that's how we deal with the license plate issues here in our building. And if you want those little license plate mounts, we sell them in our parts catalog at bugeyeguys.com. Thanks for coming with us today.